This daily meditation will help you attract success and prosperous opportunities. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Allow yourself to settle into this moment, fully present and fully open to receive. Breathe in deeply again, and as you exhale, feel the weight of your body supported by the ground beneath you. Imagine roots growing from the base of your spine, grounding you into the earth. With each breath, feel the steady, nurturing energy of the earth rising up through those roots, filling you with strength and stability. Allow yourself to be fully here, in the present moment, knowing that the energy of the day ahead is filled with endless possibilities. Affirming your worth as you continue to breathe steadily, silently affirm to yourself, I am worthy of success. I am deserving of new opportunities. With each breath in, feel yourself becoming more aligned with these truths. And with each breath out, release any doubts or fears, letting them dissolve into the air around you. Gently bring to mind an image of what success looks like to you. It might be a feeling of As you hold on to that feeling of success, imagine doors opening around you. Each door represents a new opportunity, an unexpected conversation, a new idea, a chance encounter. Visualize yourself walking through these doors with confidence, knowing that each one brings you closer to your goals. Affirm to yourself, I attract opportunities that align with my highest good. I am ready to receive. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Bring your hands to your heart. In this space of stillness, feel gratitude for the opportunities that are on their way to you, even if you cannot see them yet. Set a clear intention for the day ahead. Today, I will embrace success and welcome new opportunities with open arms. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, bringing this energy of success and possibility into your day. You are grounded. You are capable. And the universe is working in your favor. This meditation was brought to you by Sun and Ray Reiki. This act of self-care is designed to help you align your mindset and energy with success and attract new opportunities into your life. My name is Samantha, and I'm sending you so much love, light, and positive energy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and drop me a comment below if this meditation was helpful.